Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury living room design and decorating ideas. If you're ready to turn your living space into a lavish sanctuary, stay tuned for some top-tier inspiration. Color palette. Let's start with the foundation of any luxury living room, the color palette. Rich, neutral tones like deep grays, creamy whites, and earthy beige set the tone for sophistication. Accents of gold, silver, or jewel tones like emerald green or navy blue add a touch of glamour. Combining soft hues with bold metallics creates a perfect balance between elegance and modern luxury. High-end furniture. Furniture plays a key role in crafting a luxurious living room. Opt for high-quality, statement pieces like a tufted velvet sofa, a marble coffee table, or sculptural armchairs. Materials like leather, velvet, and wood with intricate details enhance the luxurious feel. Keep in mind, the less is more approach works best. Go for fewer, but more impactful pieces that draw attention. Textures and layers. Texture adds depth to any room, and in a luxury living room, it's all about layering. Plush throws, silk cushions, and wool rugs provide comfort and richness. Mix and match fabrics to create a visually pleasing contrast. Think a velvet couch paired with cashmere pillows, or a silk rug beneath a sleek glass coffee table. These tactile elements are what make a room feel inviting yet opulent. Statement lighting. No luxury living room is complete without a statement lighting piece. Chandeliers, oversized pendant lights, or sleek floor lamps can elevate your space in an instant. Go for fixtures in metallic finishes like brass, gold, or chrome to give a contemporary edge. Lighting not only illuminates, but also serves as a focal point, bringing out the best in your room's design. Art and decor. When it comes to decor, focus on carefully curated pieces. Large-scale artwork, dramatic sculptures, or a stunning mirror can add personality and elevate the luxurious feel of the space. Opt for high-end materials like crystal vases, marble trays, and polished brass accents. Remember, it's not about filling the room, it's about creating an atmosphere that exudes refined taste. Customization and personal touches. For that ultimate luxurious vibe, incorporate custom elements into your living room. Whether it's a bespoke piece of furniture, custom-built shelving, or a unique fireplace design, personalization is what truly makes a room luxurious. Adding personal touches like family heirlooms, hand-picked antiques, or designer pieces make the space uniquely yours. Luxury tech integration. Lastly, don't forget the modern touch. Integrate smart technology subtly within your design. Built-in speakers, smart lighting systems, or even concealed entertainment units offer convenience while maintaining a clean, elegant look. It's about merging cutting-edge technology with timeless design for a seamless, luxurious experience. And that wraps up our luxury living room design and decorating ideas. We hope these tips inspire you to create a space that feels both elegant and personal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching.